Okay guys, here we've got the app all hooked up. You can see. I don't think you'd be able to fly at FPV. There's a little latency. It's not bad. Hopefully you guys can see that. Yeah, I definitely would not try to fly this FPV. But it's got this cool app that works, and you know, that's pretty neat. Okay, so there's a little wind today. I don't know how this will go, but we can give it a shot. Oh boy. Nope. Make it land, make it land. Had no control. Try it again. Okay, we'll turn video on. We'll give it another try here. There we go. Works now. You can kind of see the app here. Pretty laggy. I definitely wouldn't fly it with this. It's a good little novelty though. Okay, here we go. We'll just put this on here. We're gonna fly it this way. You can still do pictures and other things, video. So. See the footage here. Yeah, a little too laggy. Definitely not good for FPV, but it's good for novelty. So we'll turn that off. I'll try to get a picture of us if possible. Really good range. It's up there pretty far. You can see it's lagging out. I'm coming down. Hope you guys can see that. Yeah. I'm just going to fly it around for a while. I didn't set a timer because I was going to use the onboard footage. We'll do it on the third flight. But it's a really great flying little machine. It really is. Those great flips. Pretty cool. Alright, we're gonna hit the land button. Bravo. Alright, thumbs up.